Mama, Papa, David proposed to me.
My daughter, love is not always enough. You will not marry that man.
But why? David loves me.
We watched him carefully. A man who cannot control his anger today may break your heart tomorrow.
My daughter, listen to your father. He has a point.
As Grok AI is no longer working, I know you may be probably wondering how you can make your long-form content, how you can create your videos for your YouTube channel, for your TikTok, for your Facebook, and all of that. And at this point, I know you're even tired of creating videos in 6 seconds. You just want something longer. Guys, do not worry. That video you watch, I created it using this particular AI tool for free. So if this sounds like a video you love to watch, I am urging you to watch it from start to finish. So do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do well to like this video, do well to share the video. I don't want this video to be long. This is why I am rushing. So first of all, I will move over to my ChatGPT. I love writing my script with ChatGPT. So here on ChatGPT, I'll just go ahead and give it a simple prompt. So because I don't want to waste your time, I wrote a prompt. I think that was a few days ago. So I would love to use that prompt. Like I would love to use that script. The script I wrote a few days ago. So this is it. I'll click on recent. Now if you want to use your script, let me also use this opportunity to teach you something. Who knows, it might be new. So you can always come here to search for your chat. So in case you can't find it easily, so if you come here, you can type anything you can remember in that script. Okay, you won't marry him. So once you say it, like ChatGPT will help you scan through the stuff you've done recently. It's okay. This is okay. He's not there. So another thing I'll search for is David proposed. So immediately I clicked on David proposed. It came up. I don't know if you saw that. It came up. Let me show you guys. David proposed. So this is it. It came up. So all I will do is for me to go ahead and click on it. So now that I've clicked on it, this is my script. This is it. This was the prompt I dropped for ChatGPT. I said, please give me a 2-minute script of a lady who got engaged, but the parents are telling her not to marry the man. Make it in form of a dialogue. Make it descriptive. Describe the scenes, characters, camera, movement, etc. Make it 1 minute, interesting and of high quality. So this is it. I just noticed some errors in that stuff, but you know ChatGPT is AI, so it will always generate something regardless. So like you guys already know me, I love pasting my prompts on my notes. I'll move over to my notes. I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. Okay, I have the script here. Not my prompt, my script I meant to say. So I have the script here already. So this particular AI tool I'll be introducing you to, we are going to use it to generate our image. We are also going to use it to animate our image, like to make our images to talk. So all I will do now, see, it has described what the character should look like. This is Amara. This is David. Amara, a beautiful young lady, emotional but strong. So here we have David, calm, respectful, fiance. Here we have Mama Amara, protective mother. Papa Amara, strict father. So even the scenes, it went ahead to describe the scenes. So all I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and generate my image first. This is what I love doing personally. I think if you do it, you may like it as well. I like generating my images and making them talk at once. Like, instead of you generating images, after generating, that's when you start making them to talk. I don't really like that. So here, I'll go ahead and copy from scene 1. I'll copy up to this very point, the camera movement. I have copied it. So here, I'll come back to this place. We are done with ChatGPT for now. So I'll go ahead and close this interface. I've gone ahead to close the interface. I'll remove this. I'll go ahead and type Google Flow. We are using Google Flow for this. So I've gone ahead to click on the very first one. I've gone ahead to click on the first one. For those persons telling me in my comment section almost every day that they miss Google Whisk, please, you can use Google Flow in place of Google Whisk. And this is how to use it. So I'll go ahead and click on Create with Flow. I have done that. It is loading. Now, if you've not signed up, this is an opportunity for you to sign up. So if you check below, you see new project. I've gone ahead to click on new project. These are other things I've done. These are other things I've done here. So I've clicked on new project. As I've clicked on it, it will take me to another interface. Now, if you look below here, you see that it is in video. It is on video. So I am not generating a video now. I want to generate an image first. So in order for me to generate an image, I'll go ahead and click on the video. Now I've clicked on the video. It has brought out this interface. I have to click on image. I've clicked on image. Personally, this is what I love doing. This is what I love doing. Once I click on image, I love putting it in ×4. Because I want it to generate 4 different images for me at a go. If I don't like one, I might like the third one, or I might even like the fourth one. So I've put it here. I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. It is already in 16:9. So this is my prompt. I'll go ahead and hit generate. I've gone ahead to hit generate, and at this point Google Flow is generating our images for us. It is generating high quality image. Now I don't even notice something in that my prompt. I didn't tell Google Flow if I want them to be Africans, if I want them to be Nigerians, if I want them to be Americans, and all of that. Whatever it gives to me is what I'll be working with. You understand? So at this point, it is done generating. This is another thing I like about Google Flow. It does not waste time at all. It does not waste time at all. So here is it. Here is it, guys. It is done generating. The last one is ready. I just want to see the other ones before I go ahead and choose. I'll go ahead to choose anyone. So at this point, I think I like this one. I think I like this one. So I'll go ahead and click on it. Now that I have clicked on it, I'll go look up here. Looking up here, this download icon is there. I'll click on the download icon. Please, when clicking on the download icon, ensure that you're clicking on the download icon. Don't click on share. Now I'll go ahead and click on 1K. I've clicked on 1K. See, my image is done downloading. It is done downloading. Now what am I going to do now? I will go ahead and animate this image. I'll go ahead and animate the image. Now for me to animate this image, I'll go ahead and click on, I'll go ahead and I'm going back. I've gone back. I'll go ahead and click on Nano Banana 2. I'll go ahead and put it in video. I have put it in video. Now let me tell you something. If you can recall, when I was generating my image, it was in ×4. This time around, because I want to generate a video, it has to be in ×1. So this ×4 means that it should generate 4 images for me at a go. Well, ×1 means that it should generate 1 image for me at a go. So if you look at this place, this particular tool has the start and the end. So I'll be using just the start. I know at this point you're like, how can I maintain consistent character and all of that? Calm down. I will tell you how to do that. So I've gone ahead to click on start. I'll go ahead and choose the image. I have chosen the image. All I will do now is for me to minimize. I'll minimize. I'll come to my script. I'll start from here, dialog. I'll start from here, dialogue. So this particular tool generates in 8 seconds. It generates in 8 seconds, unlike other tools generating in 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds. So because it generates in 8 seconds, it should be able to cover all of this. It should. 8 seconds is long. So I've copied it. I'll minimize. I'll come back here. I'll go ahead and paste it. Now that I've gone ahead to paste it, I'll go ahead and hit generate. Now I've gone ahead to hit generate, and at this point it is already generating for me. It is generating for me. Now at this point, I know most persons will be like, oh, it does have watermark at the bottom right hand side. Now let me tell you something. The watermark that Google Flow has, I don't think is something that's, it's not really alarming. Like, if you're not a content creator, if you're not someone who uses this AI tool, you might not even know that there is a watermark there. But regardless, you can always cover that watermark with maybe subscribe sticker on your CapCut, or you can always zoom it. If you zoom your image, if you zoom your video a little bit, like, it will just cover. And another thing I like about this particular tool is that even if you get to zoom your video, the, like, what do they call it? I've forgotten how they call that stuff professionally. That the headroom will still be there. It's called headroom. The headroom will still be there. So this is it. I'll go ahead and click on it. I'll play. Okay, let me save it first. So I'll go ahead and click on this download. I've gone ahead to click on download. I've gone ahead to click on 720. So I have clicked on 720. I am waiting for it to download. So once you click on 720, you wait for it. You go ahead and click on done. Now let me show you something. Let me click on it again because there's something else I want to show you. Now let me show you something. If you check here, you see extend. So you may go back to your scripts, copy the next scene, and then paste here. You may just go back to your script, copy the next scene, paste here. But personally, I don't like doing that. I'll show you my own method. So I've clicked on download again. I'm waiting for it to download. I don't know if it is my network. So at this point the video is in my gallery already. I don't know if you saw that. It was telling me to open. So this is what I love doing. I love watching the video first. Now once I watch the video, the exact place where I want it to continue from, I will go ahead to take a screenshot. Let me show you what I mean. So this is what I am going to do. I love playing the video. I'll go ahead and allow the video to play.
Mama, Papa, David proposed to me.
My daughter, love is not always enough. You will not marry that man.
But why? David loves me.
Now, I don't know if you noticed something. It says you will not marry that man. So I want you to continue from this place.
Mama, Papa, David proposed to me.
My daughter.
This place where it has 4 of them. So here, I'll go ahead and take a screenshot. I have gone ahead to take the screenshot. I'll zoom it. I'll crop it like this. I'll go ahead and save it. Now I've saved it. I'll go back to my script. So I'll copy from here. I'll copy from this place. I'll copy down to this other place. I'll come back to Google Flow. I'll come back here. I'll click on start again. I am not using extend. I'll click on upload image. Then I'll go ahead to upload that screenshot. Now I've uploaded the screenshot. I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. have gone ahead to paste my prompt. Now all I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and hit generate. I'll go ahead and hit generate here. I have gone ahead to hit generate and it is beginning to generate for me. It is beginning to generate for me at this point. Now we are going to see what it will give me. So guys, at this point my video is done generating. I'll go ahead and click on, I'm choosing 720 and it is already beginning to download. So this is it guys. You continue like this with other stuff. Now if there is a particular scene, maybe you want to introduce a particular character, you can go ahead and generate another image. So you saw the one I did, right? That particular one, they were sitting in their sitting room. So let's assume you want to generate another one in another scene, in another place. You can go ahead and generate another image. Now all you have to do is for you to put in your reference image. Tell it that you want it to generate this image for you with these characters, but wearing wearing another costume. You can go ahead to describe the costume you want them to put on. You can as well go ahead to describe the location where you want them to be. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video and bye for now.